Hey guys, Tifa here from GeekeryGaming, and we are back with Resident Evil, and I got my shotgun, like I said I was. Yeah, so we're gonna walk into this zombie-infested room, and well, there's like 3 zombies, from what I saw when they were chewing on thingies, so... Oh, they stood up! Oh, and it's 4 zombies. Ah, my phone's ringing. Ignore that. I'm so sorry. That totally took me. I should probably... Yeah, put my phone on vibrate. Okay. Oh yeah, they all should be pretty much dead. None of this information looks useful. And we have a map, which I totally forgot. And we're going to this room over here. Oh, Leon, what are you looking at, Leon? Oh, the zombies, okay. Anything in here? Maybe? Of course the desk is locked. Why would the desk be locked? I don't know. I don't know. Don't know what's gonna happen in this room. I don't. Oh, I remember this. It's a. Nope, we gotta leave it here. Nope. Nope. Not right now. We're gonna look around this room, get some ammo, and junk, and shiz. None of these books appear to be useful. You're not useful, Leon. Is something here? Did I check this list already? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, running kind of low on ammo. Need more ammo. Don't do this to me, game. Many books on this shelf are about chemistry. Just gonna press A. Ooh, spooky. Freaking a labyrinth. Resident Evil games are always like these advanced mazes. Okay. Nothing peculiar. Where's the gear? It's a square hole. Oh, I know what I need this for. I need that for the crank in that room where the liquor is. And I will attempt to remember. Because knowing me, I'll probably forget. Yeah, I'm pretty dumb, so I'll probably forget. Ammo! Oh god! Oh, it hurt my soul! Oh, my heart! Oh wait, I need a moment. Ow! Gee whiz! A bronze plate with the picture on it. Okay. Oh, I probably have to memorize this. Annoying. Or the way the bookshelves are. Who knows? yeah, I want to get out of here. Well, I hurt my soul. And these guinea pigs are making guinea pig noises. Quiet, you two. Oh, jeez. No, it actually stays there. I believe it was to the right. And I believe this one was to the right as well. No! So it's to the right as well. Because it was between those things there. Yeah, we did it! We did, guys! We did it! We need to take the bishop plug. Yeah, sure, because I totally don't know where this goes to. I didn't explore the whole bottom floor. Or the rest of this floor, to be exact. Ammo? Yeah! More ammo? I guess not. But what the hell is that? This can only mean danger. Alright. So I haven't checked downstairs completely. Actually, Actually, let's actually check the rest of this floor. Because there's more floors. I'll check the bottom floor a little bit after this. Because I do plan to save the game. I want to do a little bit more before I save the game and waste. Oh wait, it was up down here. They sound so weird. Jeez, die already. Gee whiz. Taking forever to die. Alright. Oh, I hear another one. Oh, I can totally cheat. Can I? Yes! No more liquor. Oh, I see the liquor, actually. I don't care. Ha 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 ha. Wait, do I have thing on me? Oh, 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 nope, 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 nope. Boop. I'm missing! Holy crap! Leon, you suck! Oh, there's two of them. Aye. These zombies go down. Ah, I'm dumb. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. I need ammo. If you do not mind, please. I should have just run past them. Oh yeah, got a safe room. What is this? I got a small key, which could possibly be for a desk. Why'd I do that? Hell yeah, I want this small key. I'm gonna look at this stuff. Secretary's diary, A. How many I'm not reading all this once again. I'm gonna skim through it real fast. I don't know why that would be a work. I mean, art is art. I mean, you can't. Oh man. Hey, art is art. I mean, it's whatever. Oh, it's not right there. Oh no. I probably should save it. Because me and my luck. Okay, anything happens, I can just restart it from here. Waiting room. There's a waiting room and a police precinct. I don't know. Alrighty, take this. Yeah, I carry the key with us because the key unlocks, I think, dressers and such. I could probably... Yeah, we're gonna go back and use this key. We're gonna use the key in the room where the liquors are. While I'm down there, I'll probably just get the stuff for the liquors at the crank. To crank whatever I need to crank, because I have no idea. Can you just slide down it? How much easier if you just slid down it, Leon? I'm probably playing this game backwards. I'm probably going places I shouldn't be going to yet. But you know what? Who cares? As long as things get done. If I can't do it another way, I guess I gotta backtrack and... Ah, yeah! Got some ammo! Yeah. So you run from this liquor. Grab the crank and grab the, blah, 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 blah. Ow! You suck! I wish there was ammo in here. Actually, there probably could be ammo here. I'm probably just not pressing buttons hard enough to unlock it. We're gonna push this. We're going to push this, Leon. Okay, Leon, we're going to push this. Thank you. I gotta get this crank. Thank you. Anything else up here? Jump down, Leon. Alright, my X pressing powers aren't working for me to get free stuff, so... Kinda sad. gonna try to book it. Book it to the left. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh god, I ran into the wall. You can't catch me, sucker! Sucker! I'm going to die horribly by him, and I can feel it in my bones. I can totally feel it. I'm gonna die, and it's gonna be because of him. His fault. Combine that, and then booyah! Now I'll backtrack all the way back up. Go up the ladder. Go to that room. Use the crank for whatever I need the crank for. Because we're getting places. Yeah. We're totes getting places. That's all that matters. Am I going the right way? I don't even remember. Yeah, I am, because I go up these stairs. No, over here. Yes, go up these stairs. Oh, I'm gonna grab that red herb as well. Use this crank for... Oh, wait. Wrong way. Use this crank for whatever I need it for, because I have no clue what I need it for. Don't know what I need it for. We're gonna find out today. This just seems like bad. I don't trust myself. Don't trust myself. Let's look at this map for a bit. I'm on a 3rd floor. There. Alright. Whoa! Time to die horribly. Goodbye, world. Maybe not. Why not? Oh wait, I'm missing a thingy. Can I get some ammo maybe? Guess not. Alright, well we did this. Grab that red herb. Drop it in the box. A lot of freaking running around back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. If Leon had a bigger inventory, I wouldn't have to worry about walking back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. But since Leon... Alright, we're gonna run all the way to this side for the fact that I haven't been here yet. Oh, I thought there was a door here. I was wrong. Running around. Alright. I just need more ammo. I'm afraid I'm running out of ammo. I'm really kind of actually really upset because I'm gonna have to run around with a knife, and I'm not trying to go for that. Not at all. Die, please. Die, please. Die, please! I'm kinda scared. But the birds are back. Nope. I don't know what this is too, but we're gonna find out anyway. We're outside. Ooh. And I swear, if there are dogs here, I spoke too soon. Way too soon. Ooh. There's loads of help and I'm liking it. This door better unlock behind me. I'm really upset if it does. What the hell? See, I don't know. It sounds like there's like 3 of them. You, sir, better not get up. Oh. He sounds like he's in pain. Alright, well, they're not coming here, so... Oh. Oh, damn. Alright. Suckers. I should really be saving that. He's gonna get up. I saw his head turning. Alright, I just want ammo, so we're gonna randomly press X on everything. Press all the buttons! So we're secretly bit by a zombie who's on the floor. It's gonna kind of piss me off. Come on, I'm pressing X. The least you can do is give me some ammo. I'm at a police station. Come on, like these guys have had to have guns on them. Ooh. Whoa, what was it? Is this it? Oh, what was it? What was it? Oh! 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 I'm trying to remember. 246? No. 2230. Let's try 2236. Okay, I got really excited. Oh, what's that? Oh, I do get a map. I wasn't crazy. Alright. Alright, I feel a bit better. Okay, but I want handgun ammo. Shotgun ammo is always nice, but handgun ammo is where it's at. Damn. I'm gonna be a jerk again. Nah, I'm ultra fan. Ooh. Oh, why? Oh, okay. This is like my godsend room right here. This is on the first floor. The door's locked. just wanna find some ammo. Some ammo for my gun. Some ammo for my gun. My gun. My hand-a-gun. My hand-a-gun. Oh, there's a door here. Well, since you didn't give me any ammo, Broom, thanks for the health. I guess I just blast you guys away. You should have died! This is horrible. Oh god! He has no body! Are you guys seeing that? That's a thing? That's actually a thing? What? Apparently that's a thing. I might get banned. Okay, but where am I? Okay, this is the room I was originally going to go in, but I chickened out because I heard all those zombies. And I was right to chicken out because did you see all those zombies? Apparently nothing's wrong. So I was right to freak out. I'm glad I didn't go in here when I didn't have a shotgun. I would have been like, oh, nope. I'm gonna leave this room and go out the door I didn't go through the first time. Jeez, I wish there was ammo in one of these thingies, but apparently there isn't. I'm not gonna get over that. Okay, this is a heart. Huh. Alright, so we're gonna go through that long hallway. Because eventually I have to find out where to use these, oh, wait a minute. Let me finish checking the top floor. I think I came too far in here. Kinda wanna save it. Somebody's telling me to save it, but I'm gonna be a jerk and not save it. Oh wait, yeah, it's bedroom with birds. It's a giant room to the right. Ominous music's always good. Oh god, birds! 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 Don't like birds. And that's just Resident Evil 1. And I immediately regret this decision. I don't want to get too close to the fire and burn myself. What was the point of this room? I do not know. Is there a body hanging from the... I don't know. Alright, that's there. Let's go and save our game. We know that this is here. Oh, wait. Okay, but I can't, oh, I need the crank. Alright, so apparently I need to find another crank, so that's the cranky thingy. That means there might be something inside the, oh, wait a minute. Those birds are pretty scary. I kind of don't want to face those birds. Whatever. Gotta get this going. Gotta go and run from the birds. All the birds that are here getting ready to eat my face off. Okay, well, peck my face off. Gonna run from the birds. All the birds. All the birds. Too many birds. Oh god, okay, there you go. Yeah, we did it. Got away from all the birds. All the birds in the room. This room is still really scary. And oh god! Oh, he scared the hell out of me. Oh, gee whiz. Oh god, please die. Oh, you are not pretty. Oh, he scared the crap out of me. Please die. He is down. I would hope. And this room is still on fire. So if that being said, we are going to go save our game. Woo. He was like roaring. I'm like, oh no. Alright, we're gonna I desperately need more ammo. I have to conserve ammo now. So next time will most likely be me running with just wait. We're gonna keep these herbs in here. Any high herbs like that, it's gonna be for important situations like boss fights and such. So no. Alrighty. I kind of feel like I'm gonna screw up by not having enough ammo to do something, so I'm gonna make a third save. Yeah, I could have just written over it. I feel dumb. I could have written over the save with the. Yeah. Oh, well, you know what? I like having multiple saves. You know why? Because if something screws up during me editing and recording, I can just go back and replay it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Resident Evil 2. We're getting closer, I think, towards the middle of the game. Yeah, we are. Yeah. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.